Okay, I am in Royal Oak, Michigan, at their historical society. I have not been to this part of the world in quite some time. And this is an old fire station that's been converted to a museum. Oh look, another one of these fire alarms. Just like at the last museum.
How you doing?
It's like clockwork. Hey, how are you?
Good, good. You need a hand with anything?
Oh, no, just browsing, thank you. Oh, nice flip phone. What is this? Custom-made line launcher. Oh, that's interesting. So this is a rifle that launches a rope. Made in Burbank, California. Breathing apparatus. Okay. That's funny. Okay, so in this town, there's a store called Noir Leather, and I guess it's famous. That's a cool television. Let's take a look upstairs. I'm surprised there's people here. There's nothing up here. Just offices. I thought there was more to this place. Maybe I'm at the wrong place. Anyway, this is the fire department building. Maybe there's another building. We'll try to find that one next.